This is our marketing unit. And marketing is more than just sales. It's looking at the whole picture and what product or service are we going to offer to the market? How are we going to position it in the market, meet those customer needs, and generate those sales or the revenue? We've already been talking about the competitive advantage. That's your go-to. What makes your business special and why are customers going to come to you for that product or that service that they need? But we're going to change the narrative just a little bit and talk about value proposition. It's along the same lines. There's an unfilled customer need, and that's your value proposition. What do customers need and want? For example, if they need a cup of coffee and there's 6 coffee houses within a 2-block radius, that's not an unfilled customer need. But if there's not a coffee house in, say, 4-mile radius, now there might be a good argument for having that coffee house because it's an unfilled customer need. We'll talk about how you segment the market, and based on how you segment will dictate the type of marketing strategy you'll have. We'll also talk about how you want your product or service positioned in the market. You don't want to put your new product or your new service where everybody else is. You want to see where there's gaps in the market and position your product or service there. We'll talk about the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. We'll also look at consumer behavior and the buying process. Why do customers do what they do? And what goes into their decision-making process? We'll also talk a little bit about consumer wants versus consumer needs. We'll look at why and how you do market research. And we'll do a brief overview of digital marketing. Then we'll switch gears just a little bit and start talking about location. Location, where's your business going to be located? Of course, that's a very loaded question and can be very impactful. So we'll look at how to choose a good business location. And then we'll also take a look at immigrant entrepreneurship, which is a concept that's near and dear to my heart. The importance of immigrant entrepreneurship on the economy, nationwide economy, all the way down to the local economy. And the dispelling some myths about immigrant entrepreneurship and what it means to be a business owner. I hope you enjoy Unit 3, and I'll see you in lecture.